dead. Hello everybody and welcome to my hair being a right now. I mean, look at it. This is not normal hair behavior, okay? This is not what is supposed to happen. Recently I went from pink to blonde and I used a color remover and I used some bleach. And I thought that the color remover was going to be like a less damaging product to put into my hair to get the color out of my hair. Well, it turns out it's actually like super extremely damaging and my hair is literally breaking off as we speak right now. It's insane. My hair, it feels so bad. It feels so bad! So, I went on the interwebs and looked for a hair care method that I haven't tried before because I love trying new stuff out. And I came across the beautiful wonders of flaxseed. What is flaxseed, you ask? Honestly, I have absolutely no idea. But I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna put it in my hair. So let's go. So I got myself a pack of lijnzaad, which is the Dutch word for flaxseed. The more you know. What actually is it? I mean, the way that I would probably describe it, it's just a regular seed that people have been using for over thousands of years, but now some big corporation decided that it is a superfood, so they can make it at least 500% more expensive than it actually should be. Isn't that like the problem with all the superfoods? I mean, quinoa is something that people have been feeding chickens for years, and now all of a sudden it's like very expensive and suddenly very good for you. I don't know. But yeah, let me just look up the actual benefits of flaxseed because apparently there are a lot of them. So, okay, interwebs, love it. Flax seeds are rich in vitamin E, which is great for both skin and hair health. It helps improve circulation in the head, thus promoting hair growth and slowing down hair breakage. That is something that I can use right now. Flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Oh my god, animals, what are you? Flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to be great for the skin and hair as they keep them nourished and prevents hair drying. The nutrients of flax seeds may prevent hair breakage by improving elasticity of the hair. That's also something that I can very much use. And lastly, flax seeds act on both hair and scalp due to the presence of nourishing nutrients like B vitamins, magnesium, manganese, selenium, and copper. These nutrients boost hair growth and help them grow stronger and longer. Oh my god. La, 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 la. So, if we have to believe the internet, this is like some magic ingredient. However, I, generally speaking, don't believe the internet because there is a lot of bullshit on the internet. Like, I feel like most of it is just lies. So I'm going to try that for myself. I'm pretty skeptical of this. I mean, it sounds too good. I mean, remember when everybody was saying how good coconut oil for your hair is and everybody used coconut oil on the hair? And then everybody suddenly was saying, oh no, wait, it's actually really bad for your hair. So I'm just going to try that for myself. And then we'll see what's gonna happen. So, let's make some flaxseed gel right now. Sick! Hey, welcome to my kitchen, which looks kind of crazy right now with all the tape and stuff, but I'm redoing it, so you can just ignore it. Also, yeah, I haven't even shown you all my finished house and I'm already redoing everything. Life of a Libra! Eee! So to make the flaxseed gel, it's actually super easy. All you need is a pot, some flax seeds, obviously, and some water. So I use a 1/4 cup of flax seeds and 2.5 cups of water. And of course, make sure that your cat licks the water, because that's just what life is like with the cat. Then you want to put everything in a pot and just boil it for around 10 minutes. And you want to make sure that you keep stirring the pot, because otherwise the flax seeds are gonna get stuck to the bottom, and you definitely do not want that. And you also want to make sure that you keep an eye on the pot, because otherwise it is going to boil over. And that's also something that we do not want. And you want the consistency to be like not too thick and also not too thin. It kind of needs to be like, I don't know, like a slimy consistency. I think I actually made it a little bit too thick, but I'm just gonna work with it. So it's done cooking right now, so I turned off the stove, and now I just have to let it sit for about 45 minutes, and then it like thickens up a little bit, and then I have to strain it. So much work. Can't you just like buy this at the store? Honey, dinner is ready. Okay. No, not for you. Wait, no, you're not. Oh God. Yeah, my room is messy. I know. I'm also redoing this room, so my entire house is messy and unfinished. Anyways, I got my little gel over here. And Pablo seems to really want to eat it.
My favorite.
I don't know if that's good for you, baby. Just don't try. I mean, he wants to eat everything though, so. But yeah, can you see it? This is the consistency.
What? I didn't do anything.
This is the consistency right now. It's very, like, it just looks like gel. It looks pretty cool actually. So since we don't want to put a bunch of seeds into our hair, we gotta have to strain it. Okay, and the way you have to strain it is by getting a container of some sorts and some stockings. Ooh. Okay, so what we gotta do, take this and then just put it over like the container that you have. Like this, and then you pour this into there and squeeze it. Okay. Look at this. Oh my God, this is so weird. What the hell? Can you see that? Boink, boink.
She
boink,
crazy.
Boink. So now we're gonna have to like squeeze it out of there. Oh, can you see that? Oh, this is so gross. But also like super fun at the same time. Oh my God, look at it. Ooh. Okay, so I got my beautiful flaxseed gel over here. It smells like breakfast. It actually smells pretty nice. I'm just gonna comb my hair through and be careful that it isn't gonna break off because my hair tends to do that whenever I comb it. Flaxseed. Gonna grab some of it and gonna put it in my hair. It's such a gross consistency. Look at it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. They say that you don't really have to use a lot of the product, but I don't know. I always just tend to overdo everything, so I'm just gonna lather my hair. For some reason I thought that it was gonna be very difficult to like spread it through my hair, but it's actually very easy to do. And it feels kind of gross, but also very satisfying. They say that's like very good for the scalp, and since my scalp has been through a lot in its life, I'm gonna make sure to like really focus on my scalp and like massage it in a little bit, because my scalp deserves some me time. So my hair is completely covered right now, as you can see. Wee, 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 wee. They say you have to keep it in your hair for about 30 minutes to an hour, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Ah! And then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then we're gonna see the end result. Wait, why was that so hard for me to come up with? I don't know. Yeah. See you later, alligator! Hey, bitches! It has been about 50 minutes since I put stuff in my hair and I'm about to rinse it out right now. But first I just want to say, I mean, I know this stuff is called flaxseed gel, so the fact that it like acts like gel shouldn't really surprise me. But oh my god, this is just like gel. I combed my hair like this 50 minutes ago and like it didn't move. So even if my hair doesn't get healthier because of this, I might actually keep using it. Because it's such a good gel. And it's not like crunchy or anything. I actually kind of like it. Anyways, I'm gonna rinse it out of my hair right now. So, let's do that! Hey! So I rinsed it out of my hair. Didn't use any shampoo or conditioner. I just rinsed it out with water since it's like a very light mixture, as they say on the internet. So you don't really need shampoo. So right now, while it's still wet, I don't know. It does kind of feel stronger for some reason. I don't know if it's just like a placebo effect, but it does feel kind of stronger. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna like put it into the way that I want my hair to go, which is very much inspired by my Animal Crossing character. I'm just gonna leave my hair like this, let it air dry, and then once it's dry, we can see the results. We can actually see the results. Okay, let's go. Boop. Oh my god. So it is about 3 hours later, because even though I almost have no hair on my head at all, it still takes 3 hours for it to completely air dry. But was it worth all the effort? Yeah, it was. Oh my god. My hair feels so soft. What? Yeah, I was very skeptical of this mask, okay? Not because I thought that it wasn't gonna work at all, but I just think that like they said so many amazing things about the mask that I was like, I don't think that's like gonna be true. It's just too much, okay? But my hair actually feels amazing. It actually feels super soft right now. My hair is like fried beyond repair, you know? It's like the state of my hair is absolutely terrible. So the fact that just some flax seeds can make my hair feel soft again is actually insane. I'm not sure if this mask is all of a sudden gonna let your hair grow extremely fast. Like, I don't think that that is probably gonna happen. I mean, but it definitely makes your hair a lot softer and like shinier. Can you see that? It looks so healthy. And it feels so good. I am going to rate this hair mask 4 out of 5 Pablo. Because it's very cheap, it's very easy to use, it's easy to rinse out. My hair feels amazing, my hair looks amazing, but there's always room for improvement. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments down below what your favorite like natural hair care products are, because I would love to try out some more. I mean, you can also send them some like actual hair care products, but I just think it's fun to put food in my hair, you know? Okay. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye, kisses, ciao ciao. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao.